Hello HIREN, thank you very much for the awesome design. I am really satisfied. So first of all, let's see the home page. So it looks really good. I think there's just a little bug here with the button, but I think it's really just a small thing. I like this thing here. I'm just curious to see what is it gonna be with the pictures in the back. Is it a clear module or a black module? So I'm wondering what would it look like once the picture in the background will be added. Okay, this section is perfect. The 6 services we will offer. That's fine, that's perfect. Worst case, I'm just gonna remove these 2 parts, but for now, let's keep them. Okay, that's perfect. Again, some more text. That's absolutely perfect for this part. Okay, this slide carousel is fine. I'm not sure yet what images I'm gonna put there, but I mean, I'll figure something out. Maybe some happy clients or whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. That's good for now. That's perfect. This section is good. It looks good. Another call to action here. That's perfect. And again, some values and everything. That's perfect. I'm gonna add some text here. Okay, this section is good also. Some text. Worst case, I'm just gonna remove some module, but that's no worries. Perfect. Reviews. I like reviews. Maybe if you could add this text just a little bit to the right, so just make sure it don't go over the bubble here. The small G touches the circle from the images here, so small thing, but I mean, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix this. Okay, so this section won't need the carousel. I would like to replace this section with a map from the Google map, maybe an embed map with the big Montreal, Quebec, Canada region. So just let me show you here. First, let's do a recap. Okay, so first thing here, the button here. Okay, so first section, request a call button. Okay, that's good. That's perfect. That's alright. Alright. Done. Okay. Yeah, and then this small review name, let's call it this way. Review first name on the face bubble circle. Okay. Replace the second carousel with a map, an embed map. Of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Okay, that's perfect for this. And then that's it. That's it for the home page. That looks good. Okay. Maybe if we could add the phone number on the same line, if possible, maybe put the text a bit on this side, so all the phone number is on the same line. So Okay, that's perfect. Alright, I won't need all these buttons, but that's fine, I'll remove them myself. Service areas, this one's fine. I think there was nothing wrong with this page. That's perfect. Yeah, okay, that's perfect. About us. That's even, oh, images are not aligned. Make sure images about us pages. Okay, so just so you know, it's not aligned. Maybe because of this text. I get it. Okay. If you whatever. Okay, that's fine. That's perfect. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, FAQ now. Perfect for the FAQ and services, and then single services. Services 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Small questions. That's perfect. Yeah, I like it. Oh, something weird here. What is going on? Okay, so there's obviously a problem here. I guess you can just make sure there's colors on the text. General. Make sure we see the bottom section. Okay, perfect. That looks good. And then single services. That's perfect. That's really perfect. Nice. That's the contact us section. Okay. Yes, there's a map. I was wondering if you had the map. That's perfect. And the one last thing is this. Look at this button. Look how nice this is. You simply click on the get in touch and boom, a nice logo, service request, boom, address, email, and then phone number. Make sure it's clickable for mobile. I really like this. When you're full on desktop, boom. That's really nice. Really nice. So if you can add this little feature, I would appreciate it. Other than that, everything's fine. Thank you very much for the awesome design, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye, enjoy.